welcome. This is Ruth and I'm back with day 2. It's the 2nd of December, so we're going to open number 2 on this crafty advent calendar for 2024 from Spellbinders. Yesterday I opened one up and got a beautiful little hot air balloon die in there, and I made up this lovely card here, so it's a twisted easel, and today we're going to open this one. Today's crafty surprise then is this beautiful little stamp set with beautiful flowers and foliage on here and hello friend. That is perfect for all sorts of occasions, but I'm going to make a little card with it now and then I'll be back tomorrow with more. Hang on, because you're going to see how I made this and then lots of photos at the end. I've stamped this out onto some white card, as you can see here, and then I've gone back to a die set that I go back to time and time again. It's one that I got quite a while ago from Spellbinders. It's this one here and it's called Nested Postage and Labels and Tags. There's the name on there. And it means that you can cut a lovely layer of plain white or plain whatever colour you want, and then you can back it onto one of these postage sort of stamp size sort of things, and I've cut that out in green, but I'm just going to go ahead and colour this image in with some colour pencils this time. I've put 3D foam pads in the back of that, but I want to keep them in from the edge so that I have little gaps, because I want to add some foliage on in there as well, and I'm going to pop that up on there, and then that will sort of stand out on the card front, but it means that I can add foliage coming out of there and that will sort of accentuate that. I've got some beautiful little dies here, tiny little leaves, and they're really pretty. They're actually from the small die of the month for December, and it's called Blooming Hello. You won't have seen it by the time I'm doing this, but it will be, well, I think someone else might have shown you it by this stage, but my video will be coming out pretty soon after this. It's hard just to think ahead when everything's getting done, but when you're working ahead like that, you have to try and think ahead and not show things that aren't just available yet. But anyhow, that's what these are from, and they're really pretty little leaves. And I'm just adding them. As you can see, they're actually just being tucked in behind the die cut there that's popped up on the 3D foam pads. And I added a few little gems just to finish off, and that's a pretty little card. Don't forget to come back tomorrow again and see what's behind door number 3, and if you subscribe and hit the notification bell, you'll be kept up to date with all of them as they come along through December. This is a really lovely advent calendar. If you've enjoyed it, don't forget to give my video a big thumbs up and leave me a little comment if you have time. But thanks anyway for watching, and I hope to see you again very soon. Bye bye.